So I've been kind of shocked lately. Ever since Helium 10 put the little feature where you could see the origin of the seller's country, I've been opening up X-Ray, which is a tool like this. It shows you the revenue of all the sellers. And anyway, this little column right here has been kind of surprising to me. You know, I've always heard that Chinese sellers are kind of taking over Amazon, but now it's becoming even more prevalent. Like it's the majority now. So let's take a look at this. So many of you might know, many of you might not know, I love fly fishing. I started a fly fishing Instagram to show you guys how to grow traffic organically, grow following, grow brands, etc. Just about a month, 2 months ago. And we're going to get into that in a little bit, but check this out. So if we were to open up X-Ray here. So this was kind of shocking to me, right? It used to be like US companies would order cheaper products from China and then still make the profit here in the US as a US company stimulating the US economy. But now it's like you're paying a small fee to Amazon, but the payout of all these orders are legitimately just going to other countries. So in a way, like buying all these products and supporting all these products and all these products being here. I mean, look, if we look at this page, every single one of the sellers' country, meaning where the payout is going to, you're sending the profit from your order straight to another economy. But not to get sidetracked here, the point of this video is that all of these sellers are not very good at creating brands here in the United States, right? We could go look up OddsPro or Plusino, any one of those companies, even though they're doing well, they're doing $15,000 per month, $11,000 per month, right? $40,000 per month on that one listing. None of them have successful, websites with contacts, or none of them have Instagrams with thousands of followers that convert, traffic to your products over and over and over again. So I wanted to show you how you can beat a lot of these sellers out and, do it the right way. One right here, US seller making $15,000 per month. And then let's see, another US seller making $18,000 per month. Did you guys notice that both of those sellers that were from the US that are doing $15,000 and $18,000 per month on nets are from one brand? So if we were to go look up Fish Pond, do you think that they don't have a big company or they do have a big company? Of course, they have a big company. They have a big brand that's well known in the fly fishing community. When we come over here, we could look at their nets. They sell their nets right here on their website. And they probably have thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of people on their email lists. They're in fly shops all over the country, etc. Right? So they can get away with charging a lot of money for a really high quality net because they're not just competing on Amazon, right? Yeah, you can go to Amazon and get their stuff, but most of the reason they're successful is because they took the time to actually build the following and build the brand recognition. So when you're doing this, it comes down to mostly one thing: content. Switching gears for a second, I wanted to show you some of the quickest ways to get organic traffic, to get followers that convert into customers, to fill your funnels with traffic, to fill your Amazon listing with traffic that none of these sellers have access to, okay? None of them can touch your email marketing campaign. They can't put a product right next to your email that goes out. They can't go on your website and list their product there, right? That, as Amazon sellers, we tend to get overwhelmed by competition. Competition's everywhere. How do we beat the competition? Stop focusing on your competition. Just figure out how you gain customers, right? Amazon's one spot, just one place. A really convenient place to put your product and get sales. Really convenient place to put your product and get 2-day shipping via their fulfillment services. But you don't have to drown yourself competing with all these products. It's just one outlet. As soon as you recognize that, you can go and do something like this. Now, I started this almost as a joke, right? It's just like, not really a joke, that's the wrong word, but just for ha-has, as we would say, right? Like, I have no intention of monetizing this yet. It's just I fly fish a lot for steelhead in the PNW, and I do it with my buddy Connor. We go out every single week for the most part and do this. It's a passion of ours, a hobby of ours. We're like, let's just document the journey. And that's the first thing that I would say for you, right? If you're thinking about starting a company, start with the content and the people first, right? Document your journey, document the process of building that thing, or doing that thing, the thing that the customers are going to be enthusiastic about. Even if it's just home decor or it's beauty, whatever it is, forget the fishing topic. Fill in the topical blank with whatever it is you want to build, and then start creating content for those people. Now, I wanted to show you some of my content strategies. A lot of you guys were asking, how do you get successful posts? How do you organically, grow a page within a month or two to over 100 followers? Again, that's like, it's kind of It's a low amount. I'm not like bragging, oh, I have 100 followers. Like I'm saying, this is just like for fun, and I'm organically getting people that recognize me, getting posts to tens of thousands of people, and thousands of likes and lots of engagement, right? So down the road, when I do want to go, hey, you know what, actually, we're gonna start a company here and we're gonna sell a fly fishing bag, and you have a couple thousand followers a year from now, all of a sudden you're making hundreds of sales per month on that thing, right? Because the people came first, audience came first. You built the relationships before you tried to convert them. So let me just show you something really quick. Look at how many likes and views this has. 2,600 likes, right? I posted this July 20th, so less than 3 weeks ago. And that's from a page with 100 followers. Why is that? When we could look at something like this and has 7 likes, 9 likes, 10 likes, 15 likes, 49 likes. Well, it's a reel, right? If you are on Instagram right now and you're not posting reels, you are missing out on probably the biggest amount of organic traffic you're ever going to get. Go to this one, another reel, 400 likes, right? So come down here. I mean, this is all we have for posts. This is it. This is the entire page. Like I said, it's not a very old page, just started it. We just have content naturally from fly fishing on these trips. And that's it. We just document it. We take pictures, we post them. All of the posts, 18, 11, 23, 26, it's not like embarrassingly low. It's not 1 or 2 likes. Those are pictures. As soon as we go to a video, let's try and find another video. 150 versus 27 versus 19 versus 23, right? So it's astronomically more reach if you're going to post a reel. So I'd recommend steps going forward. When you're trying to beat your competitors on Amazon, pick one platform, and let's use Instagram as this example because that's what I chose to use here, and make content that people from that space tend to like, right? So I know that flies are popular from steelhead fly tyers, and then videos of catching fish. Of course, you don't catch a lot of steelhead, but if you can get content out on the water, this is a very short reel, has 60 likes, and it's just my reel, my rod next to the river, right? Again, someone asks, hey, what kind of setup is that? So that's the first part of engagement. You respond to them, they respect you for responding, they follow you, they're along for the journey. Okay, so going forward, to beat your competitors, take some of the workload off of yourself, stop spending so much money on ads, and start organically growing some form of authority in that space by showing up in tens of, by the way, this video has 47,000 views. So quite a miraculous amount of people have seen that, right? Now, not a lot of them are going to convert. So if something starts getting a slightly viral in a small way, not all those people are going to be relevant, right? It might be showing up to people who have no interest in fishing, but it's just doing well, so it keeps gaining more. But statistically, you're going to gain some followers. I gained a lot of followers from that. I think before that we had like 50 or something. So it goes to show you how quickly you can make one post and get it right. Every week, I want you to, by the way, I made this in a free logo generator, just came up with the name randomly. Make a post on your branded page, which you're going to make after watching this video, in the space that you want to grow a physical product in before you ever have the product. The content can come first. If it's something that you like doing, it'll be easier because you will already have content. So you can just go through your camera roll, especially if it's a personal brand. It's not just to be a physical product. Start posting small videos that are satisfying to watch related to your brand, and you will organically grow. I promise you. Never paid for anything. I've never done anything here. I get a post with 2,600 likes, just be, randomly 400 likes. Like that's, I don't know how long that's going to stick around, but right now Reels is the place to be. This video is essentially turned into me promoting Reels because they're so powerful. Right, here we go. Here's the views, 49,000 views. Got 3,000 more since I saw it this morning. You must be doing this. You absolutely have to be doing this if you're a brand. You can see how when I started out, I just pretty much posted 3 posts or 5 posts automatically just to fill up the page a little bit. And I only got a couple hundred views. And then every post since then, I've only made 5 more in the last month or so. Have gotten thousands of views, and those people are following us, and they're liking us, they're engaging with us. So you can see how if there was a physical product here, or this led to a website which had an email capture, how well that would be doing. That's what I'm doing with my other brand that actually does this for monetizational purposes. But here, I just wanted to make something public that I can share with you guys and show you how to do this. Post reels, 10 to 15 seconds long, that are relevant to those customers, that those customers have shown that they like that kind of content. So if we were to come up here, went to a company like Liquid Death, and if say you were trying to start a company like this, we would want to figure out what kind of content they're posting and then make similar content, relevant, hipster, cool content, right? That's the best way I can describe it. Alternative content. It's going to be different for every category. So just make reels. Please just do me a favor, make a reel 3 times a week for the next month, and then come back to this video and comment how many likes your best one has. I guarantee you to be thousands of likes, and you'll have gotten a ton of new traffic. So that's how you beat these sellers. By the way, if you want to start a company, start connecting to those people. And where do you connect with people? You connect with people on social media. So hopefully I'm connecting the dots here. That's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to do a one-on-one call to go over, consult with what you're trying to grow, or you want me to give you a content strategy personalized, go ahead and follow the link in the description. You can go to Patreon and sign up for a one-on-one call there. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Later.